Hello everyone, this is your math teacher, Teacher Roger Coras. You must have with you your Module 1 for Quarter 2. What about your pen and paper? Great! Join me as we learn new concepts and skills in pre-calculus. For sure, you must have already the idea of what is the first lesson that we will discuss in our lesson. Well, if you don't, it's all about unit circle. Unit circle plays an important role in the field of mathematics, particularly in pre-calculus. It is a basic tool that would help us understand trigonometry and its function. Many professions like engineers, architecture, surveyor, pilots, designers, landscapers, and many more, which uses the topic angles and its application in several problems they encounter in their profession while performing their task. In this lesson, we will illustrate what is a unit circle, the relationship between the linear and angular measure of a central angle. As we can recall, a circle is a shape where all the points in the circle have the same or equal distance from the center point. A circle is given by the equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared, where x, y are the coordinates and r is the radius. In this lesson, we will discuss a special type of circle, which is called a unit circle, where the radius is equal to 1 unit. A unit circle is a type of a circle where the origin of the rectangular coordinate system is found at the center and the radius should be always equal to 1 unit. Since the equation of a circle is denoted as x squared plus y squared equals r squared, then the equation of a unit circle will be x squared plus y squared equals 1. The coordinates of a unit circle must satisfy the defined equation, which is x squared plus y squared equals 1. If not, then it will be considered as outside the unit circle. These points includes 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Example, we consider a point 1 half, negative 1 half. Identify if the point is on, inside, or outside the unit circle. Okay, so this is our solution. Using the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1, we have 1 half squared plus negative 1 half squared equals 1. So we have here 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1. So 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1 half. So we can say that 1 half is less than 1. In this case, we can consider the point as, or we can locate the point inside the unit circle. A central angle is an angle whose vertex rests on the center of a circle, and its sides are radii of the same circle. Suppose we draw a central angle T from point A, 1, 0, to point P, x, y. Then this will generate an arc that corresponds to a central angle T whose measure is equal to the length of the arc. So in calculus, radians measure is preferably used. If the point which moves from 1, 0 terminates at 0, 1, then the length of the arc generated by the point is pi over 2 units. And the measure of the central angle T is also equal to pi over 2, or equivalent to 90 degrees. Similarly, if the point terminates at pi over 4, then the length of the arc is pi over 4 units, and the measure of the central angle is pi over 4, or we have 45 degrees. So if the point terminates on the other point, like for example, in negative 1, 0, so the measure of the central angle is pi, or it is equal to 180 degrees, and so on. So we have 5 over 4, 5 pi over 4, so it is equal to 225 degrees. And we have also 3 pi over 2, so that is equivalent to 270 degrees. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you learned something, and see you next time.